Hey guys, I'm just going to give you this quick video so that you can kind of see what we're expecting teachers to do, but also more importantly is how the kids are going to see this in their Google Classroom so that you can help the sixth grade Academy kids kind of navigate through all this. If you wish, you can use any or all of this video for the students in sixth grade Academy if it helps. The cool thing that I'm going to be able to do today is not only show you what it looks like from the teacher side, but I've got my daughter's account linked in here. So I'm going to use Brooklyn's student side so that you can see exactly what a student sees and kind of how that works. We're going to work out of two courses so you can kind of see it. The first one is my LA course from last year, and then the second one is my homeschool course that I set up for the girls when COVID hit last spring. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into my class and I'm going to kind of show you what we're going to be working with. I created a test topic in both this course and the homeschool course. This course I had 3 test assignments. One is, they're all labeled 6th LA, test 1, 2, and 3. And each of these are different types of assignments. So you can kind of see here, I created one as an assignment, one as a quiz assignment, and then a third as a question. And you can see this is the question, and I'm not sure which is the quiz assignment, which is the regular assignment. But I've also done that in the homeschool course. So you're going to see the same thing. The only thing different is that I created all of these as just regular old assignments, but you'll see the homeschool test 1, 2, and 3. So the reason that we are asking teachers when they create any assignment that they expect students to turn in, we are asking teachers to use either the assignment, the quiz assignment, or the question, not the material. And the reason that we are asking that is because if you do it on these 3, as you noted in my email, the student is going to see it both on their calendar and the list of their assignments for each of their courses. And the goal behind this and the idea behind this is really to help the students stay organized. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student side now so that you can see that exactly. So I'm going to go and get into Google Classroom here, and you can see that she has the homeschool and the Gilchrist here. What I'm going to do before I even go in there is I'm going to show you the Google Classroom, or excuse me, the calendar for Brooklyn. So she goes to the calendar. She's going to see all of these assignments laid out. Because I set a due date when I created these assignments, you can see that I have the homeschool test 1, 2, and 3, and then I have the LA test 1, 2, and 3. Now, the really cool thing is that she can click on this test 1, and she can actually click right here, and it goes straight to that assignment in Google Classroom, so she can either work on it or continue to work on it. The other piece to it, oh, you know what? I'm sorry, that went to my account rather than hers, so that did not work as designed. Normally, a student would only be logged into theirs, so they click on this link and it goes to their classwork right there. So that's how it's supposed to work. So then the other piece that I wanted to make sure that you guys saw was that when, again, I'm in Brooklyn's account here, is that when she goes to one of the courses, before she even goes to classwork, on this stream page, you can see this view all. And what that does is that creates a sequential list for each of these assignments. The other piece is you can see here that students can track any missing work or late work. So if you notice this, Think and Influencer here was due on August 3rd. I have her as turned in. And I'm going to show you what it looks like if she were to go back and she were to unsubmit it. So I'm going to go to that Thank an Influencer, and I'm going to unsubmit. And what that shows then is that she has not turned in this assignment. So when she goes to the list, it's going to show up as missing. So when students don't have something turned in, they can see in this list that it's missing, and teachers can kind of get on them in terms of having them finish it. So the reason that we're asking teachers to put assignments in Google Classroom, even if they're turned in by hand, like, you know, for example, a math assignment, a teacher may not want that turned in online, but actually want it handed in, is because of that very reason. So let's say that this Thank an Influencer was a paper copy that was turned in by hand. We're asking students to turn in that assignment So if it's like that math assignment, they turn in that assignment to that teacher. They actually come to this assignment in Google Classroom, click mark as done. They didn't actually turn anything in online, but they marked it as done. So then when they go back to their list, they can see that it was turned in. And we're really hopeful that that will keep the students organized and keep teachers up to date in terms of what work is still missing, or what work is still out there for students. So that's the idea behind it. Just a quick reminder that it does show on the student's calendar. They can link straight to the assignment from the calendar, and that it also shows in their under the Stream tab when you click View All under their list. Hopefully that covered what you guys needed. If you guys need any additional help, of course, let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.